Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create slice typography effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template of 1:1 size, right, of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Now we are going to text and here we are going to use this text, right, and write DB and select this text. Change the color of this text to white and change the background of this template to black. Okay, now we are going to change the fonts type, right? So we have just selected the text and clicked on Canvas Sans, and here we are going to search for some good font. Okay, let's select this one and then increase the size, right, and then simply we are going to elements again, and here we are just going to search for curve, and from the graphics you can find some good curves. Let's select this one. Okay, increase its size from here as well, from here as well, right, and make it of duplicate, right, and then again duplicate, then again duplicate, right, and make it of white color, right, and put it over here, and then duplicate it and put it over here so that it coincides, right. Need to put in such manner that it gets coincide. Then again duplicate, right, put it over here, again duplicate it, right, again duplicate it, put it in the center, okay. Again duplicate it, again duplicate it, put it over here. You can zoom in to work more better, right, duplicate it. You can also use the keyboard arrow keys, right, to move it in the desired position. Okay, let's click outside and then again select it and simply move it over here. Now again duplicate it and then click outside again and select it. Okay, let's zoom out, right. So in this manner you can simply create a slice typography effect in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.